Hi guys, I'm Mario from Apps Knowledge in less than 2 minutes. If you want to learn more about your favorite apps with short videos, subscribe to my channel. What to do if the Reels option of Facebook is not showing? Stick to the end of this video and I'll share with you other interesting Facebook and Messenger tricks. So let's open Facebook app. Here at the home newsfeed, there is stories and reels. If you don't see this option, that means probably your Facebook app is out of date. So we open Play Store. Here, if you see upgrade instead of open, click on it, then restart your device. If that didn't work, you tap and hold on your Facebook app, click App Info. Here, storage in cache. And before clicking on clear storage, remember that you'll be prompted to enter your password again. So be sure you remember your password and hit clear storage. Then restart your device and you will see the Reels option on Facebook. Click the link at the top for amazing Facebook and Messenger tricks.